Hey everybody, it's Shelby in Allentown, Pennsylvania, and I am here because the Tap Ties, the Women of Tap Ties, which is a great adult company based in Pennsylvania, have created a weekend of master classes, and they asked me to come and teach some classes today. So first of all, thank you Jill Fitzgerald and Amy Brown-Smith for having me, and all the rest of the wonderful Tap Ties women. I am so happy to be here, and I am also so extra happy that I got here a little bit early and the classes haven't started, because as you know, it has been a really long time since I have posted a tap-torial, and it is not because I don't want to. I have so many ideas for you guys of what I want to post. It's just because I literally don't have open spaces and open times at the same time to film for you. So I got so excited that I jumped in here and I wanted to film a quick video for you guys before I start teaching my classes for the day. So what I wanted to do for you today is teach all of the different most basic tap steps under 5 minutes. So I have all these really elaborate videos explaining each of these steps, and you can definitely go to those if you'd like more detail. But if you're a person that just wants a quick review, or if you're a person who already is a dancer of other styles and probably would pick up tap much faster than maybe another beginner, this is a great way to learn all of the most basic tap steps really quickly. And then any ones that maybe are a little bit more difficult for you, you would be able to then go back to my more elaborate videos and get the details on those ones. So without further ado, let's get into our top 10 most basic, most necessary to know tap steps. Let's get started. A shuffle is where you pick up your foot in a lifted bent position. You brush front on your toe tap only and back on your toe tap only. Very likely you'll swing the rhythm and go up. Make sure not to kick behind you. Really pick your foot up in a back position, but still in front of your body. A scuffle is just a scuff forward followed by a brush backward. So instead of brush, you would do scuff front, brush back, heel tap, toe tap, but try not to flex and point your feet and to relax them. A paradiddle is 4 sounds. Dig, brush with your toe tap only into the air. Step, shift your weight, toe only, heel drop. Dig, brush into the air, step over, heel drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. A flap heel is a brush forward, a step on your toe only, and a heel drop. This one does tend to travel, so we'll then use our other foot, brush, step, heel. Flap, heel. Very common rhythm, 1, 2. A running flap is a brush forward and a leap onto that foot like you're running. So all your sounds will be made on your toes only. From the side. An Irish is a shuffle followed by a hop and a step. Shuffle, which is brush, brush on your toe only. Hop, step. In an ideal world, you would be doing all of those sounds on your toes. Shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step. Shuffle, ball, change, not to be confused with Irish, is brush, brush, and then you're gonna go back, front. Instead of thinking of skipping, you could think of galloping. Ball, change, back, front. All 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. If you were to do multiple shuffle ball changes in a row, you would get the same foot multiple times. You could try the same thing on the left. A flap ball change is just like a shuffle ball change, except you do your flap, which is on the floor at the end, brush, step down, and then the other foot will do our ball change or gallop. So we have brush, step, ball change. If you are a jazz dancer and know how to do a chasse, that is exactly a flap ball change, except we're going to add that brush forward at the beginning. A maxi forward is a leap, a shuffle, brush, brush, leap back, and with a toe. Try to keep your heels off the ground on that leap back. 1, a 2, a 3. The rhythm tends to go slow, fast, 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 fast. We go up and over and back. I always tell my students, to think of a windshield wiper because you go up and over one way and back the other way up and over. There are no hops in a maxi Ford. Try the left foot, same thing. Leap to the left, shuffle, leap back to the right, and then drop your toe. A buffalo is similar to a maxi Ford, but only makes 4 sounds in a different rhythm, but it starts the same. Leap onto one foot, do a shuffle, and then, which is a brush forward and back, again, toe tap only. And then instead of leaping back and doing a toe, you just do the leap back and let your other foot come up in front of you, like the number 4 sort of. Leap, shuffle, leap back. Leap, shuffle, leap back. And our rhythm is blueberry blue, 1 and a 2, it's even this time. You can do the other way, same thing. A waltz clog is a leap and followed by a shuffle ball change, which we already learned. So you would go leap, shuffle, ball change, other foot, leap, shuffle, ball change. Now you could add a flat and go flat, shuffle, ball change to make it a bit more advanced. So your weight goes onto your foot, you do your shuffle that goes into the air, back front, and then your other foot would be free. So that was my top 10 basic tap steps taught as fast as humanly possible for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I have so many more ideas coming up. The second I get an open room, I will film them for you, I promise. And I will see you in our next video. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.